Hello, grade three. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. But for this week's assignment, I want you to continue your typing. You're going to click on your typing app once you get into class link. And then we're going to continue working on our geometry book. And that will be this week's assignment. You'll need this video to help you out. At any point during the video, if you need to pause it and then go do some work, that is perfectly fine. And I'll continue. Remember, in your typing, I can check to see who is doing their typing. I would appreciate you get between 10-15 minutes. You don't have to ask me how many minutes do you have. If you could just at the bottom corner of your Chromebook, you'll see the time. Set the timer for, or just look at the time for about 10-15 minutes. Make sure you're using your two hands, and I will check it to make sure. Thank you for that. For those who did it last week, I do appreciate that. Well, in class link, to find your geometry book, you're going to go into your Google Drive, click on that. In your Google Drive, you'll click on your geometry book 2 times. Now, all the classes are at different pages of their book, and we're going to do this a little bit differently. I think this will be the easiest for everybody to complete the book. If you were absent or you have not completed our assignment or missed any pages, to start the book, if you go back into your Google Drive, we start a new project, and we go to Google Slides, and that will start the project. If you were absent and you missed a slide, do not worry about that. Please just work on what we are doing in this video and everything will be okay. The next time I see you, I can always share and get you caught up. So only do what we're doing in this video. So on this particular book, the last page they did was intersecting lines. To add a new page, we're going to hit the drop down arrow, go to title only, and now we're going to learn about shapes. And a general term for shapes is called polygons. Polygons are shapes that have 3 or more sides. So any shape that you can think of that has 3 or more sides, you can click and hold and highlight our vocabulary word. I will make this bigger for you guys so you guys can see it a little bit better. And our polygons would be right here in shape. Go to shape. You can pick any one of these shapes on this second row that you would like. You cannot pick the circle or the oval, and you do not need to pick any of these shapes down here. Just the second row, use our triangles. You can put a bunch of them here if you would like. You can use your parallelogram. If you keep your mouse right on top, it will tell you the name of the shape. Trapezoid. All these are considered to be polygons. Even the one with the 6 in the middle has 6 sides. It's called a hexagon. If you want to color them, you just click. You can use the paint bucket. We will fill it in any color that you would like. You can color the border, which would be these black lines, and the border weight. And you could change that. That would be the thickness of the line. All this has to be done with your shape being highlighted. I'll click again. I'll color it. The line color. I'll do a different color this time. I'll do blue. And I will pick the line weight. And you can pick whatever color that you would like. Polygons are shapes that have 3 or more sides. Next, title only. The first polygon that we'll learn about is something that you learned about back in kindergarten, first grade, but we're just going to add it to our book, called a triangle. Triangle is a polygon that has 3 or 3 sides. Yeah. And go up to the shape tool, shapes, and here are your triangles. Click and hold to make your triangle. Color it. You can put the other one there as well. Has the right angle on the side. Our vocabulary word is triangle. and I'm going to underline try. That prefix means 3. Triangle is a polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles. Next. The next would be a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. I know that's a big word, but you can sound it out. Quadrilateral polygon that has 4 sides and 4 angles. Quadrilateral is our vocabulary word. I'm going to underline quad. Quad means 4. Let's see if I can get it. Hit the U for another one. And a quadrilateral is going to be this first one. We'll say rectangle. I'm going to actually use that same shape, but this time I'm going to turn it into a square. So I have the rectangle and square. And then in the second row, you're going to use the next 3. It will be parallelogram, it will be trapezoid, and I know it says diamond, but this is going to be a rhombus. You'll click parallelogram, trapezoid, and our rhombus. And you can color all of them. I'm going to kind of just highlight all of them at once and color them all the same. You could do different colors if you like, or you could do exactly what I just did. Quadrilateral, polygon that has 4 sides and 4 angles. Next. The next is a pentagon. Pentagon is a polygon that has 5 sides and 5 angles. The prefix pent means 5. I'm just going to highlight the 5 for you. Okay. So it'll be any shape that has 5 sides, 5 angles. You'd find a pentagon right here. This is the regular pentagon. Some people think that looks like a little house. That's your pentagon, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. An angle is when these sides come together, these edges. That right there would be one angle. Up on top is an angle. Right around the side is an angle. All these are angles. I'll color it in. Pentagon. The polygon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Next. Next is a hexagon. Hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides and 6 angles. Hexagon is our vocabulary word. And the prefix hex means 6. Hexagon. When you go to your shape tool, you will see right in the second row the shape with the number 6 right in the middle. That is our hexagon. You can click and hold, and you can color that in. Hexagon. And for this week, we'll do one more. I just really want to see how this works, but we'll do one more. We're going to actually skip the 7-sided shape. It's called a heptagon. We'll get back to that. But in 3rd grade, we go and we learn about the octagon. So let's add a shape. Polygon that has 8 sides and angles. Octagon is our vocabulary word. The prefix oct means 8. You probably heard oct and octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Octagon has 8 sides and 8 angles. If you go to our shape tool, be the one, not the 7, the 8. We're going to click and hold, and make your octagon. And yes, this will look exactly like a stop sign. Some kids in my other class wanted to add the word stop in the middle just to remind them. That's fine. You can hit the text box, click and hold, and make a box if you would like. And right, stop. Sign, that word is in white, and they sized it to 36. So if you guys can do your typing this week and do 1, 2, 3, 4, these 5 slides, I will say that you did a very good job. I would like you to share this with me when you're done so I know that you have completed it. To share with me, I want you to hit share. It says enter names. I want you to type my name, will be KAY.WR. You will see my name right here. You're going to click, and I would like you to hit send. Now I'm not going to send it to myself because I already have it. So I'm going to hit cancel and done, but you will send it to me. That's how I'll know that you have gotten the assignment and you have completed the work, and you will get credit for it.